Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. In today's episode, we're diving into the DeepCool CH560 Digital ATX Airflow Case, a stunning computer case with some impressive features. Let's start with the aesthetics. The CH560 Digital boasts a sleek white design that will undoubtedly add a touch of elegance to your setup. The unique tempered glass and mesh hybrid side panel not only looks great but also provides a view into your system's internals. The case's hybrid design ensures exceptional airflow from all sides, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Cooling is a critical factor for any PC enthusiast, and this case delivers on that front. It comes with 3 pre-installed 140mm ARGB fans at the front. These fans not only look amazing but also introduce a significant amount of fresh air into the case, ensuring your components stay at optimal temperatures. Additionally, the magnetic top mesh filter helps keep dust out while allowing efficient airflow. One of the standout features of the CH560 Digital is the dual-status digital screen located on the front panel. This screen allows you to monitor CPU and GPU vitals right from your desk. You can choose between displaying CPU and GPU temperatures, utilization, or both. Controlling and customizing this feature is made easy through a user-friendly application. This case offers excellent compatibility with various motherboard sizes, including eATX, Micro ATX, Mini ITX, and more. It can accommodate large components, such as GPUs up to 380mm in length and CPU coolers up to 175mm in height. The case also supports PSUs up to 170mm in size, making it versatile enough for a wide range of modern components. The front panel features a Type-C port and a USB 3.0 port for high-speed data transfer and quick device connectivity. Cable management is made easy with well-placed openings and hooks, ensuring a neat and organized interior. The case even includes a subtle GPU anti-sag bracket to support oversized graphics cards. The DeepCool CH560 Digital ATX Airflow Case is a stunning, high-performance option for PC enthusiasts and gamers alike. With its eye-catching design, impressive cooling capabilities, dual-status display, and versatile compatibility, it offers exceptional value for its price. If you're looking to build a powerful and stylish PC, this case should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, please leave your comments below. Until next time, happy building!